Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about alternative to Burp Suite software. It is TemperDev browser extension. You can see how this works. So, let's start our work. First you need to download TemperDev browser extension. I will put link in the description. After downloading, open your browser. Go to Extensions. Enable Developer Mode. Click on Load Unpacked. Now choose Extension. Now let's try it. For intercepting requests, you need to enable this. You can see it's working.